So unataka pia nikusalimie tena ama?
I think unaweza according to your opinion, so unataka aje?
Okay, sawa basi.
How do you want to greet me at first? Then I say a yes or a no, because some greetings maybe can't be considered with me.
Naweza kupea hug too, it has been a long.
Hug.
That is kama utakubali.
Okay. It's okay. I hope uko poa.
Ya, niko sawa, niko poa. Naweza kiti.
Thank you.
So yes, umekuaje habari ya masiku?
Okay, personally I've been fine. Very nice, doing well. Maybe you.
Okay, pia mimi naweza sema nimekuwa poa. Yes, siwezi complain that much. Mimi niko sawa.
Are you sure uko poa?
Yeah, niko sawa. Kwani skies na kama mtu si uko sawa?
The last time I checked, ulikuwa mkubwa sana. When I look at you, it seems like umekuwa mdogo someone. So, are you sure umekuwa poa?
Yes, nimekuwa poa. Si unajua tu life ups and down, so it happen. Vitu zi change. Yes, so huwezi shinda mahali pamoja all the time.
So among all the things that changed, you had to change from big to be small.
Okay, si kusema mwili ikipungua inapungua tu, kwa sasa kuna vitu zingine hatuwezi control. Unaona? So yes.
Okay.
So
You told me that we need to talk. Right?
Yes. After tumeongea kwa simu, vitu tuliongea. So yeah. Kama mbona tusimit kama leo we talk.
So what are we up to today?
We talk about us.
About us.
Yes.
Right now, right here.
Okay, so according to me, I missed you.
You missed me. That must be ironic. The last time I checked, you said that you don't want anything to do with me. So how could you miss me? How could you find it within yourself?
No, maybe by that time I was wrong. But at the moment, I need you. Like, it's the high time I need you.
Can you keep that aside for now?
Why?
Maybe. How is your work nowadays?
Okay, job yangu si poa vile. Uko chini, so hadi nimesimamishwa for a while. So saizi sijakuwa nikienda job.
Were you fired, suspended? On what basis? Why?
No, kazi iko chini. Job iko chini, so they had to kusimamisha watu kadhaa. But walisema ikirudi poa tena wanatuita.
So can you say that nowadays you know how life hits hard?
Yeah. Life it's hard. Ni ngumu huku nje. Especially kama uko job, kama una anything for you to do, so and pia uko alone, unahitaji mtu wa kuwa there for you, your company, so yes, inakuwa more and more harder.
Okay, the last time I checked, you were smart in saving, so can they rescue you at this time?
Okay, it's not all about savings. Unaweza kuwa na savings, yes. But huwezi sema eti for you unaongoje eti umalize savings zako ama nini. Sometimes hata kama uko na hizo savings, pia unahitaji someone to be there for you hapo kando yako, at least hata unapata ule mtu mwongee. So yes, it's not all about money.
Okay. On my side, it's only that I didn't have time to tell you and I didn't know how to tell you, but I got a good job nowadays.
Wow.
I'm working with a research company based on language and linguistics, so I can say that I do pocket well. My life is fine when it comes to talk about money. Yeah.
Congratulations on that.
Yeah. So which means that nowadays I can't beg any lady for money. Yeah.
But
I can stand by myself as a man.
Point of correction. Hakuna mtu alisema you are begging money from someone. Hakuna.
But you made me to perceive it like that the time that I was with you.
Nini ilifanya ukafeel hivyo?
Because the moment you were just the money in the house, you had the money, so something's changed. So
But
that's why
I never mentioned something of such count. So hiyo endo umesema.
Do you believe that actions do speak louder than words?
I know.
You know, then from your actions, I think they were louder to make you get that in deep in your mind.
I never know cause uanze kufikiria hivyo cause sasa. Anyway. Sorry kama nili
Anyway, it happened.
But I'm happy for you kama you get job. Yes.
That is good. The last time I checked, there was this notion that you had your mommy, I don't know, your auntie, something like that. So how did it go?
About my family, actually Madhe alisimamishangwa job. Aliachishangwa kazi actually hata si kusinini.
Why?
Yeah. Hizo 2 1 2 3 zenye zilikuwa zimehappen. Hizo issues ziliendanga zikafika hadi job. Yes.
When I checked, I saw that your mom is into those things. So it doesn't mean that my case could just be the one that could make her to stop working.
Okay, no.
What did she do?
The issue ni hii ni kitu ilikuwa kwa social media, so kila mtu alikuwa there na nini. Unajua sasa kitu imefikia mtu mmoja, utaenda huyo mmoja apelekee mwingine apelekee mwingine hadi kafikia kwa mkubwa wao, so they had to kusema haezi tena kuendelea kufanya kazi na wao.
So tumesaidiana doza kuringia launda sema venye ndo commander in chief wa street. Madhe
yuko kazi and anyway tuache tu kuongelelea story ya Madhe. About my auntie, auntie, I'm happy for her. Ali travel. Yuko Kenya. The last time tulikuwa tumeongea na yeye alikuwa ametravel. Yes, she is not in Kenya. Yeah.
What about your health? The last time you complained that your stomach. So nowadays are you okay?
No, actually sasa ile time yenye nilikuwa na issues za nini after nimesimamishwa nini kazi, I had to niende niangaliliwe about my health and all stuff. Nilienda usi nikapimwa, nikaambiwa what was the issue na tumbo yangu, and then yes, nilipata medication. For now I'm okay, I'm good. Yeah, sina any complication about the stomach anymore.
So it means that right now we get into a love triangle, love story. You're gonna cooperate with the person that you're gonna get?
Yes, and that's you. Mbona unauliza the person that I'm just gonna get?
Of course I know to one way or the other I may not be the one.
Why?
Why? I faced the denial from you after I begged you, so you said no, so I do believe that you hated me. That is it.
But
like I've not got to any point of conviction that you can like me back. And then above all, I can't feel comfortable to be with you somehow unless you make me to be.
Okay, but actually haufai kunini tu kuacha mapenzi yetu iende tu hivyo like. Okay, kama mimi ndo nilikuwa the nini hapa, but I want you back. Like,
you want to say you are the victim to it. Of course, I do agree. But then, I think with the time you came to realize that maybe all I did, the things had the reasons behind them.
Yeah, and
so the more you are a victim in one way or the other, I too was a victim in that. Of course, I did things behind your back. I never wanted you to know them, but then still later, they affected me too. But then nowadays, I can say that I'm fine. I moved on.
Meaning like in a relationship,
I moved on from the situation. I had to put myself to be in a free state whereby I don't think too much about what I did. So I had to move on so that I can continue with my life, not like another girl. Yeah.
okay, for me niliketi chini and then nikakuja to think of it. Nikakuja kujua vitu zingine, yes, nilifanya juu nilikuwa nimekasirika, nilikuwa na hasira, and then ukiwa na hasira you can do anything, like unaweza fanya kitu yoyote. So that's why nilikaa chini, nika come back to my senses, and then nikasema acha nikutafute. So that's why niliamua kukutafuta. Yes, because I want you back.
You want me?
Yes.
Yes. The one you said you don't want in your life.
No, I need you. Like, for now I want you back.
Oh, for now?
Yeah.
What about the days to come?
Ndo nimekwambia. Nilikuwa wrong. Nilikaa chini nikafikiria about hizo nini alafu. So yeah, that's why.
So since you thought about them. Okay. That brings me back to your family. You and your mom. How do you cope up with each other?
Okay, actually we don't talk a lot na yeye because after all she's not my biological mother. Yes. So nilikuja auntie.
Wait. Not your biological mother. How? How?
Si nini like huyo alikuwa tu like nilikuja notice alikuwa mtu tu aliniadapt. My real mom, she's normal.
Sorry.
So ndo nilikuja nikajua maybe she was doing all those stuff because sikuwa mtoto wake, but
okay, I don't want you to get emotional on that because it's my, let me say, first time of meeting you after a long time of time, period. So currently, where do you stay?
Okay, not far from mali nilikuwa. But yes, maybe with time ndakuonyesha mali naishi. With time ndakuonyesha mali naka.
With time. Yes, time.
Like tukishaongea we agree. Because pia saizi naona roho yako bado ni kama ulikuwa umeshaanza kuitoa mali niko kabisa.
No, it's not like that. It's only that I said that I have to set my life free in that case, you see? That is it. So, but then if you won't mind, I may like to know where you do stay. Because currently I do have a home. I do pay my rent. I have got a good house, organized. So maybe I may not prefer coming to your house because of what I faced there. In that case, if everything works out, count me out of your house. Maybe you'll be at my house.
Hey, anything yenye utaamua cause sasa wewe